Italtherm was founded on the principles of competence and professionalism, with over 30 years of experience in the field of automatic and centralized heating systems. It is an innovative, dynamic and flexible company, responsible for the full cycle of creation of its products, from research, development, design, production and sales management, to consultation and customer assistance in Italy and abroad. Italtherm has just recently moved to its new production facility, which includes over 40,000 square meters of working space, conceived, designed and constructed to manage the entire production cycle of its boilers. Italtherm's Research and Development Center uses CAD 3D systems, relying on modern computer technology for each project, from models of prototypes to co-engineering with its suppliers. Single components are produced and assembled in the prototype center and used in the creation of our final products. Prototypes are tested for efficiency and resilience in the research lab, thanks to the utilization of high-precision technology. After careful testing, the reliability, conformation, and maximum quality of each boiler are guaranteed. The basis for Italtherm's productive system is flexibility and speed. 4 production lines make more than 120,000 boilers. Each production line is able to manage the assembly of a specific model independently, with a minimum of setup time and a maximum of flexibility. Each phase of production is supervised by highly specialized personnel in order to guarantee the best of quality. All components used in our boilers are analyzed and tested in our quality center before arriving on the production line. Once assembly has been completed, our boilers undergo a rigorous process of verification and testing of the electrical, hydraulic, and safety components. They are turned on and subjected to a series of work cycles before final packaging. This pre- and post-assembly testing, together with the high quality of components used, guarantees the excellence Italtherm is known for. Italtherm provides a wide selection of condensing boilers, traditional boilers, high-performance boilers, solar systems, water heaters, and all their principal accessories. Italtherm's warehouses are stocked to guarantee immediate availability of all products, accessories, and spare parts. The organization and management of these warehouses allow for quick access and delivery. Italtherm has also chosen the best national and international courier services for the benefit of its customers. A team of Italtherm experts is ready to respond to and resolve all technical and operative problems either during installation and/or maintenance of its products. Consultation regarding regulations and rules is also provided before and after sales. Courses are organized at Italtherm's Formation Center, including installation, maintenance, and repair of Italtherm products, new laws and regulations regarding boiler construction and use, and how to reduce energy consumption. These courses are made available to technicians trained in installation as well as those who work in the technical assistance centers. A certificate of participation is awarded after every course. Conferences designed to inform sales personnel of Italtherm's new products and solutions are organized in the showroom and convention center. In the world, Italtherm has been able in just a few years to establish itself as the producer of quality boilers in Europe, Africa, Russia, the Middle East, and China. In Italy, Italtherm has a national network of over 700 specialized centers, including wholesalers, retailers, installation centers, and service centers. We respect the environment and face the challenges of the future. This is why Italtherm's primary objective is the development of technological solutions capable of optimizing available energy sources, integrating traditional and renewable energy.
Questa è Italtherm, una grande famiglia dal cuore italiano.